you pay to own the cutest household helper in the world. Watch him in action in this next video, then get your credit cards ready.
Number 24, Dog Wow. Hey, it's Jules Mack with Dog Wow. You'll be saying wow when you see what a little crushed up Ritalin in a puppy chow will do. Dog Wow is like a bellboy you don't have to tip. A maid who actually works. Dog Wow does windows. Make sure the embarrassing stains in your soiled sheets are hidden and brews a mean cup of coffee. Look at this. Nobody gets the paper delivered anymore. Don't tell Dog Wow. Why do you want to work twice as hard around the house? Hell, why do you want to work at all? You didn't get him to do anything. Like this. What the Okay, enough with the coffee. Dog Wow is miles beyond a housekeeper. Outperform an entire team of butlers. It's a furry little super slave. An indentured servant you can cuddle. Hell, I go out of my way to mess up. Just throw him a treat. He'll clean up after you. Give him another treat. He'll keep doing it. Okay, that's enough. Watch this. Lights on. Eh? Greedy little bastard. Lights off, and I didn't even have to clap. Okay, we can do this in real time. Undress your sister. I've traded to go after anything in a tie-dye. You can spend thousands a year on a housekeeper who's just going to steal your jewelry and force you to learn another language anyway. Who wants to do that? Not an American. Get the Dog Wow, and you'll never lift a barbecue sauce-stained finger again. If you're a lazy fat ass like me, you'll love it. I don't even scratch my own balls anymore. And get this, if you call now, within the next 15 seconds, because we can't do this all day, you'll get the Dog Wow Water Wonder, a 32-cent value, free. Hey, this stuff sells itself. Just pay separate shipping and handling. Order today.